Howdy, cousin. This is kind of funny. Cough syrup 316. Got my honey, couple pieces of smashed garlic, some onion. Tonight, that's gotta turn the heat down a little bit. That is just some carrots, some balsamic vinaigrette, some onion, some corned beef. Up in here, I got a cheddar brat and some fish, which is almost done. Oh, of course, I'm showing my dirty ass floor. Yeah.